why they're meeting here. That's a big ass flock.
That's a lot of breadcrumbs.
Oh, they're in the sun. We just choose to be in this parking lot. They weren't here before, were they?
I don't know, but they're so beautiful. I love them.
This is where they're meeting.
Look how cute they are. Aww.
That's a lot of frickin' seagulls.
Come on. Oh, my stupid camera.
What's wrong with your camera?
No focus.
Well, I can get mine.
No focus. What's wrong with it? Finally, I missed the whole thing. I missed a great surge. Alright, I have to turn it back on so my video doesn't end on a completely idiotic note since I have no ability to edit, since nobody's taught me it. There they are. They're so adorable. We're getting ready to go on our trip. We had to get Ryan some stuff. Okay, bye.